Hi guys, on this one we've got a kitchen mixer tap. I'm going to replace this one because it's got a slight leak at the base. So first thing I've got to do is isolate the taps. You can turn off the stopcock, but on this I've got isolation valves on the hot and cold, so I just need to empty this cupboard so I can gain access. And this is the area I'll be working in. Here you can see the isolation valves. Just zoom in for you. And I'll just leave the tap running while I turn the water off just to make sure it's gone off. I'm just going to turn them a quarter of a turn. Just use this knife to do it for the minute. And now that that's done, I'm going to assemble the new unit. This is the replacement unit. With the instructions in there. So first thing I'm going to do is fit these two bolts that hold the tap in place, hold it sturdy. It's just threaded, but it's got a Phillips on the end so you can tighten it up. So I'll just put the bolts in here first and just tighten them in nice and tight with the Phillips on the end. And then I've just got to screw these supply with the two seals, just got to screw them in to the base of the tap, mixer tap.
Was brought down there, and immediately Crawley want to take this penalty very quickly. Tom Nichols, a former Exeter City player, has put the ball on the spot,
and then just got to tighten them up, both of them, and that's pretty much ready to be installed. Just got to remove the old tap. A little bit awkward, I can't even get my camera in there, but if you look here, just keep, there's a nut. Just give you a freeze frame here. There's a nut here that needs to be undone. That's right at the back, underneath. Holds the tap down, secures the tap. I've got to undo that first. It's a 13mm nut. So I'll just get the ratchet in there. Very awkward to undo it. And eventually I've managed to undo the nut. I'll just show it to you. It's a little copper brass nut, and then all I've got to do is undo the hot and cold connections. Like I said, these have got isolation valves, so I can just isolate rather than turn off the stopcock. And now that it's undone, it's just a case of lifting it out. And that's the old unit removed here. The support brackets fell out underneath. I'll just retrieve that. And that's the support bracket there with the seal. So I'm just going to clean up the area. This is where I'm going to obviously be mounting the new unit. Some stubborn marks on there, I'll just scratch them off. And there you go, the area is nice and clean now. So all I've got to do is install the tap with its seal at the bottom there, as you can see, the two pipes. You got your securing bolts, and then you got your rubber seal here. And then all I've got to do is just lower that into the hole. And once that's in place, I've just got to fit the seal and the bracket and tighten the nuts. As you can see, I've still got the socket on there because I'm still tightening it up. And I've got the both bolts tightened here. Just get the camera in just to show you. And now that's done, I've just got to connect the water supply. It's a different connection on this, so I've had to undo it. It's a smaller connection. However, these connection on the new one will fit straight onto the isolation valve, which I'm doing here. Just got to tighten it up. And just show you the old unit. I've got the new unit fitted, fully fitted. That's the old unit, what I've removed. As you can see here, it's just starting to tarnish and it was leaking around the base. So that's the old unit out of the way. And just to show you, this is the new unit fully installed with hot and cold water running. And as you can see, it slides either side of the bowls. And with that, that's concluded. Thanks for watching once again, and please subscribe.